Om Shanti, good morning. Today is 26th March 2021, and in next 10 minutes we will revise today's Murli's main points. So the essence is, sweet children, the biggest illness is body consciousness. It was through this illness that there was the downfall. Therefore now become soul conscious. But when we everyday listen this term body consciousness and we use this term a lot in our conversation, but we need to be very clear what does it actually mean for us, so that when we say body consciousness, then a certain image comes into our mind, what we need to get rid of actually. So can we today make a list of 10 signs of body consciousness? Like one of them could be laziness, second could be anger, third could be like a gross form of ego or any subtle form of ego, being stubborn, right? So there could be many other ways. So you can make a list of 10 signs of body consciousness, and obviously when we do this, then its opposite will be the list of soul consciousness. So when we do these kind of exercises, small exercises every day, it brings clarity to into our intellect. Otherwise we just make a ritual of reading Murli, listening Murli, and it goes like that. So we need to make sure that we do some homework, some project work every day, right? So you can share your list in the comment box below. Now the question: when will you children reach your Karmatiti stage? Karmatiti stage is a big theme. Answer: when you gain victory over the suffering of karma with the power of yoga, when you become completely soul conscious. This illness of body consciousness is the biggest illness. It is through this illness that the world has become impure. Become soul conscious and you will have happiness and intoxication, and your behavior will be reformed. In Anavakt Murli, Baba has also mentioned Karmatiti stage as when there is no fluctuation in the body and in the mind, then it is to be said a Karmatiti stage. ना तन में हलचल हो, ना मन में हलचल हो, no fluctuations in body and mind, then we can say a Karmatiti stage has arrived. So we can give ourselves a powerful thought today. I am reaching towards a stage of Karmatiti stage. Without any fluctuation in my mind, in my body, I am stable. Today's song is O Traveler of the Night, Do Not Become Weary. The destination of the dawn is not far off. So this song particularly brings optimism, hope. रात की राही थक मत जाना, सुबह की मंजिल दूर नहीं. So now, Yad Pyar, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children. Love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Baap Data. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children, and the spiritual children say Namaste to the spiritual father. Essence for Dharna. First point: don't perform any wrong actions by becoming body conscious. Wrong actions means what? The list which we made in the beginning. Those we can say the wrong actions. So make full effort to become soul conscious. Continue to reform your character. So it required a lot of effort to become soul conscious. Point number two, become very, very sweet and cool. Yesterday, Baba said, become very clever. Do you remember? If we revise yesterday's Murli, Baba says, become very, very clever with this knowledge. Today, Baba is saying, become very, very sweet and cool. So we can see there is a balance. Become clever and also become very sweet. Remove the evil spirits of anger and attachment from within you. So sometimes we need to see the Murlis in a continuity. So what did Baba say yesterday and day before yesterday, and what Baba is saying today, like that. Today's blessing. May you constantly be an embodiment of total success by using the elevated treasure of time in a worthwhile way. Very, very important blessing. In order to be a successful soul, we need to be very much careful with our time. So the explanation is, the children who use the treasure of time for the benefit of themselves and everyone else automatically accumulate all the treasures. So treasure of time is a fundamental treasure. If we use this in a worthwhile way, we can accumulate all the treasures automatically. Those who know the importance of time and use it in a worthwhile way automatically accumulate the treasures of thoughts, happiness, powers, knowledge, and breath. Simply let go of carelessness and use the treasure of time in a worthwhile way, and you will constantly be an embodiment of total success. So, this is a big subject. So, we need to ask ourselves, how do I use my time in a worthwhile way? And is there any way, any system I can keep a track of my time? 24 hours, how do I spend my time? So, you can create this time sheet, time account for yourself. List all your activities, actions, and review them periodically so that you make sure that your time is going in a worthwhile way. Right. Slogan: to go to the bottom of the ocean with concentration and stability and find the diamonds and pearls of experience is to become an embodiment of experience. So we can understand today's slogan in a reverse manner also. What does it mean to be an embodiment of experience? It means to go to the bottom of the ocean. And how do we do that? With concentration and stability. Then what do we find? We find the diamonds and pearls of experience. And then we become an embodiment of experience. So very powerful points in today's Murli. Lot of homework to be done. So we need to get rid of body consciousness, its various forms, gross, subtle, and all forms. Second focus is on karma these days. And we need to be very, very sweet and cool. We need to use our time in a worthwhile way. And we need to become an embodiment of experience. So we can imagine ourselves, visualize ourselves as we are going deeper and deeper in the ocean. सागर में गहरे उतरते जाना है. This is today's Murli. Om Shanti.